In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM in Google Sheets. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. You want to be on the main Sheets homepage, where you can create a new spreadsheet or choose from ready-made templates. Using a template is a great way to build a simple CRM quickly, because the structure is already set up for tracking contacts and deals. Once you are on the Google Sheets home screen, find and click Template Gallery. This is where Google provides pre-built spreadsheets for different use cases. In the Template Gallery, look for the CRM template option that is highlighted on the screen and click that highlighted template to open it. This will create a new spreadsheet based on the CRM layout, so you can start using it right away without designing your own system from scratch. After the template opens, click the highlighted area shown in the sheet. This is simply to focus into the file and make sure you are working inside the CRM spreadsheet. At this point, you will notice that the template is organized into multiple tabs, each one meant for a different part of your customer relationship workflow. Next, click on the Dashboard tab. The dashboard is the high-level view of your CRM. It is typically designed to summarize key information at a glance, like totals and progress, so it is useful for quick check-ins. Then click on the People tab. This section is where you track individual contacts. You will generally use it to keep names and basic details organized in a consistent way, which helps you stay on top of follow-ups. After that, click on the Companies tab. This tab is focused on the organizations tied to your contacts and deals. Keeping company information separate makes it easier to stay organized when multiple people belong to the same business. Next, click on the Opportunities tab. This is where you track potential deals, leads, or sales in progress. It is the area you will visit most often when you are managing what is currently in your pipeline. Finally, click on the Settings tab. Settings is where the template typically stores the background options that control how parts of the CRM behave, so it is good to know where it is for later adjustments. And that is all there is to it.